To add windshield washer fluid to your vehicle, first locate the windshield washer fluid reservoir. It is usually located along the side of the engine bay near the windshield. The reservoir lid is marked with an image of a windshield with a jet of liquid in front of it or a pair of moving windshield wipers. Check the sides of the reservoir to see how far below the fill line the liquid is, or use the built-in dipstick if it has one. To start filling, flip up the cap on the reservoir or unscrew it and set it aside. Use a funnel or the spout on the bottle of windshield wiper fluid to carefully pour the fluid in until it reaches the fill line. If your reservoir doesn't have a fill line, use a dipstick to check the level of fluid instead. Be careful not to overfill the reservoir, since overfilling can cause leaks or damage the reservoir. Put the cap back on, then start your car and test the windshield washer to make sure it's working properly.